Kung consistent kang nag-acne toner, ito ang mga resulta na makukuha mo in return and hindi lang yan pang anti-acne. Kung ang acne toner mo ay may potassium azelaic glycinate and salicylic acid, ito yung mga benefits na pwede mo makuha. Number 1, deep pore exfoliation. Salicylic acid can penetrate deep within your hair follicles to reach your oil glands para maklear yung ating mga microcomedones. Number 2 is oil regulation. So potassium azelaic glycinate can help balance your sebum production without over-drying. Number 3 is powerful anti-inflammatory effects. So potassium azelaic glycinate and salicylic acid combination has powerful anti-inflammatory effects compared to either ingredients alone. Number 4 is skin brightening effects. So potassium azelaic glycinate inhibits tyrosinase, which is an important enzyme in melanogenesis. So over time, if you keep on using your acne toner with potassium azelaic glycinate, you will notice a more regular skin tone. Number 5 is increased cellular turnover. So with proper and regular use, your acne toner can restore your smoothness and improve your skin texture. Kaya kung consistent ka with the right acne toner, hindi lang pimples ang nawawala, pati oiliness, redness, and dullness unti-unti rin nawawala. For more skin tips that work, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!